guys, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, go follow me on all my social medias at JIMIP_. That's Instagram and Twitter. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell button next to the subscribe button so you can be updated on all of my videos that I post. And yeah, so today I created this cute little sleek back ponytail look. I feel like ponytails and like just ponytails in general, whether it's an up ponytail or like a down ponytail, I feel like they're so in this like summer fall-ish kind of thing that we got going on. So I decided to do a cute little sleek back bun. I have really thick hair and it's really like uneven. Like it's just a long story about my hair, but I was able to slick it down into this nice little ponytail, and I added some extensions to the back to make it extra long and cute and curly and fluffy. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, and I guess this is my regular everyday makeup that I do, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright guys, so starting off, I'm just going to go ahead and smoothen out my hair, make sure there's no kinks in there, you know, the regular. And then I'm going to go ahead and part like the front parts of my hair and the inside parts. Basically what is most like needs to be laid down. I don't really put heat to my hair like ever because my hair used to be so damaged and now it's like really growing back, especially the front is really growing back. So I don't like putting heat to my hair, but I really wanted this to lay down, so I took the tiniest parts and flat ironed it just so that it can look good, you know, presentation. Okay. So now what I'm about to do, I'm about to go in with my Cream of Nature edge control, and I'm going to be laying down the parts that I had flat ironed. Again, this is just making sure that it's really sleek, hence the point of this video, a sleek ponytail. I use a comb and a hard brush when I'm doing my hair, but hard brushes are really good for people with coarse hair because it really does lay it down. And I don't know, I love hard brushes, so make sure you got a hard brush. Now I'm just putting it in a ponytail. I have 2 pieces of hair left out on the side so that when I do my edges, you know, it'll be already done. I ain't gotta mess up anything. You'll see me after I put the ponytail in, I'm gonna braid the ponytail. I don't really like to do the bun part, like you know how you put your hair in a bun. I don't know, I don't like doing that because I feel like it sticks out more, whereas though the braid is more controlled, and I just like the braid better, honestly. I'm going to be using some hair, it's some hair, still hair, I don't know, but I did a video on this hair already, so I'll make sure I'll leave that somewhere in the video so you guys can go check that out. But I'm just basically going to be using that hair. I folded it once, and then I started to wrap it around the braid. You want to make sure it's really tight so that the ponytail is secure and it don't be falling off. You know, we don't need that. So once I wrapped it around, I went ahead and plucked it out so that it can be a lot more fluffy. It wasn't big enough for me, so I went in and added another piece of track. And then I took a piece of hair and I started to wrap it around so that you won't see the track and it'll look a little bit more natural. Now I'm just again fluffing it out, making sure it's fluffy and to my liking. Now I'm going back in with my Cream of Nature edge control, and I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. I don't really have a routine with my edges. It's really just how I like it. I don't know. I use my brush to lay it down, and then I use the comb to really give it like that slickness, if that makes sense. I don't know. It makes it way more sharper, and it gives it more of a shape, I guess. But I use both. I need both. It takes me a really long time to do my edges because my hair is really coarse. So I'll go in with the edge control, then I'll go in with water, and then I'll go back in with the edge control. And that usually helps it last way longer. Stressful. 4C hair is so stressful. I don't even know if I have 4C. I might have 3C, honestly. I don't know. And then of course I'm going to take some bobby pins and just lay that down, and then I'm going to put my scarf on and lay it down so that when I take it off and I'm ready to go, it'll be really slick and smooth and ready to slay, okay? Now this part of the video is literally just my everyday makeup routine. Like, this is literally all I do in every one of my videos. So I'm not gonna talk through this part of the video. So you guys go ahead and enjoy. And thank y'all for watching. Mwah.